In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to know a user's phone number in Telegram. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to go into the conversation with that person right here. So there is only one way that you could do this. It's by simply tapping on their name at the top. And then you should see their phone number or mobile number right here if they allow you to see it. So it would also depend on their privacy settings, because if not, then you wouldn't be able to do that, because again, it's in Telegram's rules that showing the phone number is optional, so it would be up to the user if they would want to share it. And now I'm gonna show you on how you'd be able to hide yours if you'd want to. So basically what you need to do is tap here on settings on the bottom right, and then now you would want to go into privacy and security right here. And then you want to go here under privacy, phone number, and then basically set this to nobody if you don't want anybody else to be able to see your phone number. So if you see someone that is not showing their phone number in their profile, then it's probably because they set their who can see my phone number here option into nobody. That is why it is hidden from you. And you could also see here who can find me by my number. You can go for everybody or contacts. And here at the bottom, you could also see exceptions. So you could also add exceptions on those specific people that you would like to share your phone number or details here in Telegram. So yeah, that is basically it. The only way that you could do this is that way, because if you do it in any other way, like using a third-party app or program, platform, in order for you to find out that other person's phone number, then you might get banned here in Telegram. So be very careful when doing that. So yeah, this is basically it for this video on how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.